In this video, we are going to clean up the cheekbones. We get a lot of adhesions gripping on the underside of the cheekbones because as we start tipping forward over time, the head starts coming forward and then those grips happen to try to stop the body from tipping. However, this blocks a lot of inflammation in this space. It's going to create pockets of puffiness, even the skin might look ruddy or you might have age spots. So we want to clean that area up. So we're going to use both thumbs at the same time. So have your elbows on a table and just lean forward. And then you can just start by allowing that cheekbone just to rest on both of the thumbs. And let's focus on that full exhale, breathing in and out through the nose. And then as time goes on, we start to feel a little bit more fluidity in the tissue. So very slowly now, let's just open up the hands. So we're torquing into the space. And then we can slowly close the hands, and you'll sense subtly that the thumbs start migrating toward the ears. So just nice and slow, go through this pattern of movement with your hands. And anywhere along the way, if you feel you're connecting with some significant pain, you can just hang out there without that movement, but with the breath to get a little bit deeper. And then when that pressure kicks in and the pain has lessened, you can again start bringing the movement of the hands into play. And just feel how you start to sculpt the cheekbones. That thickness that comes with time is just these adhesions. So we are spending time with them so we can melt through them and pump life, blood and oxygen back into this area and also clean out all of that inflammation. Now, if you've moved really quickly and your thumbs are already at your ears, you can start back at your nose and just do another full pass of this space. And as you continue to do that, I just want to show you how the paddle works here. It's a beautiful way to just get into this space and really slowly navigate using the corners, twisting, searching for that pain, hanging out there. Bone and wood love each other, and the issues really get stuck at the bone. So to be able to use a tool similar in density to bone creates a deeper release. So structurally, we can bring the body back to balance. I'm just going to continue on. Let's take 3 more slow breaths here. And when you've gotten all the way to the ears, you can just release and lift up. And you can spend longer than 3 minutes if that feels right for you. But doing this again really helps to clean this space up. So between the work that we've done in other videos where we've really pulled open those lymphatic areas, this is going to help to drain the toxins, the debris, and again, improve that blood and oxygen flow to the area.